Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and let me please show you my new charts and price targets. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and join me on Telegram and Twitter. And if you want to get $3,500 bonus of these exchanges, Pmex, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. Let's dive into the content. This is Bitcoin USD pair 4-hour chart and it is creating a ascending wedge. If Bitcoin price break this ascending wedge towards downside, in that case price can hit this zone $37,260, the beginning of this ascending wedge. But I think it is not going to happen, because here you can see after hitting this downtrend line, Bitcoin price is pulling back, and after that price is at $46,316. If unfortunately Bitcoin price break this downtrend line, in that case next support zone is at, let me please show you, this will be act like a next support zone. Let me please change the color, at $45,200 area. After that this area $43,700, also a support zone for the Bitcoin. And let me please show you, this area is also acting like a support zone for the Bitcoin. And the major area, major support zone is at this area, $42,500 price area, or $42,000 price area is very important for the Bitcoin price. And if Bitcoin break this towards upside, in that case minimum target is $49,000, and once Bitcoin price break this, in that case it over next target is $51,000 price area. And I think that Bitcoin price have to hold these support zones, and after hitting these support zones, I think price maybe if Bitcoin price break this area, this area is very important. This area now is very important. $45,000 price area is very important for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin hold this area, in that case next target is $49,000 maybe, and maybe this $48,000 price area. This is the horizontal resistance line. We have to wait for the confirmation. Once Bitcoin confirm this and break this horizontal resistance, in that case price of the Bitcoin definitely will go up. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. And friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video and like this video too, and join me on Telegram and Twitter too. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and Bitcoin is in this rising channel. Here you can see several touches towards upside, and here you can see touches towards downside. If Bitcoin price goes down and it can find a support at this zone, the major zone is at this area, $42,000 price area. Is very important. $42,500 area is very strong support zone for the Bitcoin. And there is also a strong support zone for the Bitcoin is at this zone, this area, $45,000. Bitcoin price have to hold these two strong support zones. If Bitcoin price hold these support zones, in that case Bitcoin price can hit this target $48,000, $49,000 very soon. I think Bitcoin can hit these targets very soon. Let me please show you my next chart, and I was show you this chart in my previous video. Bitcoin is in this ascending wedge, and I was told you that this area is strong hold area for the Bitcoin is at $42,000, but there are several support zones for the Bitcoin, $43,800, $44,500, and this area is also a support zone for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please change the color, and it is at $46,000 price area. Now it is turning as a resistance because price is at $46,213. Maybe Bitcoin price goes down to hit this area, $44,500. Maybe Bitcoin price can hit this zone, and after hitting this zone, price of the Bitcoin have to move towards the upside and have to break this, and it can hit $49,000 very soon. I think $48,000, $49,000 and $51,000. These are the targets for the Bitcoin. And if unfortunately Bitcoin price break this box area, in that case there is a strong support is at $42,000 price area, $42,400 price area. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and Bitcoin is in is still in this ascending wedge, and this is 200 daily week moving average. And here you can see Bitcoin after hitting this again, Bitcoin price bounce back, and it is turning as a strong support for the Bitcoin right now. Here you can see, let me please show you. Look at in this box. Here you can see this is turning as a strong support zone for the Bitcoin price, and after hitting this area, Bitcoin price bounce back again. And let me please delete this. Here you can see, if unfortunately Bitcoin price break this 200 daily moving average, in that case there is a strong support waiting for the Bitcoin is at this area, 20 daily exponential moving average line, this blue line, and it is at $42,800 price area. And this box is very important. It is in between $42,000 to $43,000 price area. This is very important price area for the Bitcoin, and this is very strong support zone for the Bitcoin. Why I am saying this, I will show you in this video later. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see I draw this fib retracement tool, and here you can see Bitcoin exactly after hitting 0.5 Fibonacci level, and Bitcoin is struggling to break this, and price is at $46,000 and $46,200 price is right now. If unfortunately Bitcoin price goes down, in that case price having strong support zone is that area, 0.38, and it is at $42,000 price area. This zone 42,000, 0.38 is at $42,000 price range, and it is a very good sign for the Bitcoin grow and Bitcoin good support for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin rejected from this zone, 0.5 zone, and it is price was $46,600. Bitcoin is struggling hard to hold this zone, but price is now below this zone, 0.5 Fibonacci level, and price is at $46,200 price area. This zone is very important, 0.32. It is at $42,000 price area. That is why I am saying $42,000 is very important zone for the Bitcoin price, and Bitcoin price have to hold this zone. These are my charts, and I hope so you like these charts. And this is my last chart, and this is Bitcoin daily chart. Bitcoin struggling hard to break this zone, $48,000, $47,000. This red line is a horizontal resistance for the Bitcoin, $48,370, and these white lines are strong support and resistance zones for the Bitcoin, and this yellow line is strong support zone for the Bitcoin, and it is at $42,000 price area, $42,500 price area. If in any case Bitcoin price rejected from that zone, in that case Bitcoin price can have having a strong support from this zone, $42,000 price area, and after that Bitcoin price can move like this. I think so this will be the possible scenario. But if Bitcoin price break this and hold this area, in that case Bitcoin price can hit this zone very soon, $51,000 price area. Why I am saying this, Let me please draw this again. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with all of your friends, and please hit the bell icon right now. This is Fib retracement tool in daily chart, and here you can see Bitcoin rejected from 0.5 Fibonacci level, and this is a strong support zone for the Bitcoin. 0.32 is at $42,000 price area, $42,500 price area. Once Bitcoin price hold this area, the next zone is 0.6. Here you can see 0.618, and it is at this area, $51,000 price area. Here you can see, and that is why I am saying that next price targets are $48,000 and $51,000 price range. These are the targets. Thanks for the watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please if you want to get these bonuses, $3,500 bonus of Pmax, Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. My last words are that Bitcoin have to hold this area very strongly, and if Bitcoin hold this area, $42,000 price area, in that case Bitcoin maybe can hit $51,000 very soon. Thanks for the watching.